This is the site where American astronauts John Young and Charles Duke made the fifth human landing on the moon on April 21, 1972. Young and Duke landed here aboard the lunar module Orion, while Ken Mattingly remained in orbit around the moon in the command module Casper. Young and Duke conducted 3 surface EVAs. The first, lasting 7 hours, 11 minutes, 2 seconds, included deploying the Apollo Lunar Surface Experiments package, ALSEP, approximately 95 meters southwest of the lunar module, and conducting a geologic traverse using the Lunar Rover to a couple of small craters within about 1,400 meters to the west of the landing site. The second surface EVA, lasting 7 hours, 23 minutes, 9 seconds, featured an 11.1 kilometer lunar rover drive south to the Cinco crater area of Stone Mountain, making stops at 5 stations along the way. The third surface EVA, lasting 5 hours, 40 minutes, 3 seconds, had the astronauts making 11.4 kilometer traverse north to North Ray crater. Young and Duke collected 95.71 kilograms of lunar sample material for return to the Earth. In this LRO NAC view of the landing site, the descent stage of the Orion is the largest man-made object visible, within a dark halo on the western rim of a 30-meter crater. The dark markings of the astronauts' footprints and rover tire tracks are visible around the landing site, especially extending to the southwest, where components of the ALSEP are visible. With the previous Apollo landings having focused on the low, flat, basaltic terrain of the lunar maria or seas, Apollo 16 was the first crewed mission to visit the lunar Highlands. The landing site, located at 8.97S, 15.50E, was located on the boundary of 2 highland geologic units, the Descartes Formation and the Cayley Formation. Both units were thought to be volcanic in nature, but composed of lavas with higher silica content than the basaltic rocks of the maria. The Descartes Formation was widely thought to be rhyolite. However, the astronauts quickly discovered on their traverses that the rocks around them were overwhelmingly breccias. The great surprise of Apollo 16 was the discovery that the highland terrain was not silicic lava, but fluidized ejecta from a great basin-forming impact, and that the rocks were crustal material, largely anorthosite and gabbro. Acknowledgements to LPI's Apollo Surface Operations Descriptions and NASA's Apollo Surface Journal.